What's up, people? It's your boy RDP Outdoors. Listen, man, I know it's been a couple of weeks since I put out some consistent videos hunting, fishing. But here's the thing. We've gotten a ton of rain and bad weather in Houston, from losing power for 6 days a few weeks ago to just consistent heavy winds and rain. So all you guys have really been seeing from me is the times I'm able to get out and fly the drone for a little while. But it's starting to clear up a little bit, man, and I'm trying to get back out. As a matter of fact, I'm out at my buddy's place today where we do a lot of hog hunting in Columbus, Boar's Nest LLC. Be sure to check them out. And we just did that. So, let me back up. I also was teaching summer school. I'm a teacher, if you guys didn't know that. I'm a special ed teacher. So I did some ESY teaching, end of the school year teaching, and we ended yesterday. So I've been busy doing that as well. Decided to get out of the house this morning. So I ran by Walmart, grabbed some more hooks because I needed them, and some worms, some live bait. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna transfer everything from the truck. I'm gonna get the GoPro, I'll get in the side-by-side, and we're gonna go down here to the pond, and we're gonna see if we can catch us some bluegill. Whatever we catch, it's gonna be cool. I got my little dock runner pole with me, but I also bought I think a 6-foot little Zebco that I bought a few weeks ago just to try it out. We're gonna see what happens, man, but I'm glad to see y'all's face again. Thank y'all so much for staying in touch during my absence. Thank y'all for just reaching out and asking about how everything is going. I'm enjoying life. I'm living life. I'm enjoying life, man. So we got some things going on. Probably gonna give up a hunt here pretty soon, so be sure to like, subscribe, and share these videos because you never know when that's gonna happen. What else? I got my boat, so I'll probably try to take a few veterans fishing here over the next few weeks. Still working on my drone pilot's license, taking those courses which fell behind because I've been so busy doing administrative stuff for all the other stuff I got going on, but that's neither here nor there. And you guys are tuning in this video to see some fishing. Y'all don't hear me ramble about my personal life, but I'm just happy to see y'all and just wanted to pop in and let y'all know that I'm back trying to get out there and share some of these adventures with y'all. So, here's what I'm gonna try to do. I'm gonna try to fish this morning. It's about 9 here in Texas, in Houston. And then I'm gonna try to come back out with my bow later on tonight or tomorrow and see if I can stick me a hog. You dig what I'm saying? So y'all stay tuned for that. Make sure y'all stay tuned. Because I'm gonna keep y'all in the loop, man. I appreciate y'all. Thank y'all so much. I ain't gonna waste no more of y'all time. I'll see y'all out there. How beautiful is it out here, guys? A lot of times when we come out here, you know, especially when it's summertime, when it gets super hot, and we'll just fish until it's time to did I get one? Yeah, I got one. Till it's time to do some hog hunting. I got our first one, guys. Beautiful fish. Look at that. Come here, buddy. Let's see if I can get you without. Oh, he took everything. Hey. Got a nothing. Got him. He got some size on him because he's trying to get somewhere. That's number 2. Did y'all see him? Y'all see him run? He was trying to get somewhere. It's fun with these little poles. I can tell you that much. Chill out. There go 3. Just that quick. What we got? That might be. Oh, that's a little crappie, I think. I don't know. Y'all tell me what that is. Is that a little bass? I don't know. Let's see. Got him. It's another nice one. Did he just get off? Oh. Man, he get him back in. Damn. Another one. Got him. Hooking. Stop. Another crappie. Another decent sized joker. Look at that. Got him. Oh, that's another crappie there. Fighting like that. Gotta be. Now that's a bass. That's like a smallmouth bass right there. He swallowed everything, so I'm gonna get him sorted out and we gonna pack up, man.